This morning, Toyota and Lexus made a big splash by teasing 15 electric vehicles. They are part of the company's effort to introduce 30 EVs by the end of the decade, which includes a wide breadth of vehicle types. Lexus teased several of their products, including 6 hidden in shadows, though the company didn't hide all of them. The photo reveals Lexus is working on 2 wagons and a 4-seat convertible to add to its lineup. The 3 EVs were in a photo to the left of Lexus' future hypercar 2-seater, and they were impossible to miss. The 2 wagons look identical, though the one in the foreground looks to have a taller suspension and ride height along with extra cladding along the wheel wells. The other wagon looks like it sits much lower to the ground. The 4-seat convertible is a bit harder to see, though the missing roof calls attention to itself, revealing a bit of the interior. There is little information about the brand's new vehicles, though we will begin seeing its electrification efforts next year with the debut of the RZ450e, an upscale take on the Toyota bZ4X that Lexus also teased today. The brand also showed off an electric hypercar that offers an ambitious range of over 435 miles, 700 kilometers. Lexus is developing the car to support solid-state batteries, and we don't know when it could enter production, if at all. Automakers are gearing up to electrify their lineups in the coming decade, and that includes Toyota and Lexus. Toyota's first dedicated electric vehicle arrives next year, with the Lexus version in development, but it's just the beginning for the luxury marquee. Lexus didn't specify when we would begin seeing many of these models entering production, and a lot can happen between now and 2030. Many of these models could radically change before going on sale, or Lexus might abandon some of them altogether. Either way, Lexus is advertising a compelling EV line.